In this video, I will show you how to hide or lock photos in Samsung Gallery One UI 8. So let's get started. To hide or lock photos in Samsung Gallery One UI 8, you can either move them to the secure folder or use the private album feature accessible through Gallery Labs. First, we will see how to use secure folder to hide your photos. This method moves images to the separate encrypted folder, making them inaccessible from the main gallery. First, open Gallery app on your Android device. Now select the photos that you want to hide. Now tap More option, which is 3 lines in the bottom right corner. Next, tap Move to Secure folder. If this is your first time using secure folder, you will be prompted to set up a secure folder with a PIN, pattern or password. Once done, the selected photos will be moved and will no longer be visible in the regular gallery. Now we will see how to enable private album via Gallery Labs to hide our photos. This method uses a hidden feature to create a private album within Gallery itself. First open Gallery. Now tap Menu, which is 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Now tap Settings. Scroll down and tap About Gallery. Now repeatedly tap the version number until you see a message that Gallery Labs has been enabled. As you can see, Gallery Labs is now enabled on Android device. Now go back to the main settings menu and you will now see Gallery Labs option. Just tap on it to open. Now turn on private album. You may need to restart the app after enabling it. Open Gallery again. Now select the photos that you want to hide. Tap More and choose Move to Private Album. To access the album, go to the menu and select Private Album. Then authenticate with your chosen lock method. So those were the 2 ways by which you can hide or lock photos in Samsung Gallery One UI 8. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.